Hello, dear participants and learners. I welcome all of you to my online class, and the class especially will be on 24 consonant English sounds. So, dear participants and learners, you are shown the consonant sounds, 24 consonant sounds on the screen. You see the consonant sounds. So, these consonant sounds, especially, you know that phonetically consonants are speech sounds made by a closure or narrowing in the vocal tract so that the airflow is either completely blocked or so restricted that audible friction is produced. Consonant articulations are relatively easy to feel and as a result are most conveniently described in terms of places and manners of articulation. In addition, a routine phonetic description of consonants would involve information about the mode of vibration of vocal folds, and it is often necessary to specify the duration of the sound, the airstream mechanism involved, and the direction of airflow. Okay, so consonant sounds are speech sounds in which the air from the lungs is seriously abstracted by the different articulators at different places in the vocal tract and then goes out through the oral phases and in some cases through the nostrils. Okay, so dear participants, these are the consonant sounds, and you see that the consonant sounds pa to wa, and you see that pa ba ta da. Okay, so first sound is pa. I mean the right pronunciation of the pa 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 pa. So pat, paper, top. Okay, ba, bat, trouble, rub. Okay, this is ba sound. Ba sound. Bat, trouble, rub. Next one, ta. So team, better, hot. Ta ta ta. Team, better, hot. Okay. So next one, da. Dim, odor, bad. So this is da sound. Da 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 da. Dim, odor, bad. Next one, ka. K k k. So came, talking, back. Came, talking, bat. Next one, g. Game, bigger, back. Game, bigger, back. So this is g, 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 g. Okay. So this is p sound. P, 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 f, f. Okay. So fine. Alpha. Okay. So last one, v. V, vine, saving, of. And next one, sa, sa sound. Seal, missing, face, seal, missing, face. Okay. So next, z, z, zeal, crazy, phase, zeal, crazy, phase. Okay. Next, sh, show, pushing, rush. Show, pushing, rush. Show, pushing, rush. And I mean major, major, vision, major, vision. So television. Next, sir. I mean choke, watching, catch. Choke, watching, and catch. So next one, z, I mean joke, damage, large, joke, damage, large. Okay. So thin, method, and both. Thin, method, and both. Next one, the. I mean the sound, the, then, other, with, then, other, with, then, other, with, and this is la sound. So love, 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 fellow, fellow, loyal. Okay, ma sound, ma. Male, humor, some. Male, humor, some. Na sound, nail, funny, funny, fine, nail, funny, fine. Next one, ing. The name of the sound is ing. I mean, sing, singer, singer, singer. Okay. So ha sound, ha, hill, perhaps, hill, perhaps, perhaps. Okay. This is quite difficult sound that British and American raw sound, real, correct, correct, k, r, k, t. And this is u sound. I mean, ew, beyond, ew, and beyond. And the last sound is wa sound, like ui, showing, showing, ui, showing. So finally, if we go again the sound in a summation that p, pat, paper, top, b, bat, table, wrap, t, team, better, hot, d, dim, older, bad, k, came, talking, back, g, game, back, bigger, back, t, sh, f, fine, over, of, v, vine, saving, of, s, seal, missing, face, z, Jules, crazy. Okay, so short sound, sh, show, pushing, rush. So next one, ja, I mean major, vision, Asia. Okay, so Malaysia, Indonesia, and sure sound. I mean chalk, watching, catch, and joke, damage, large, theta, thin, method, both, the, then, other, with, love, fellow, well, male, humor, some, and nail, funny, fine, and ing, singer, ha, hill, perhaps, and raw, real, correct, you, beyond, and last sound is called wa sound. I mean, ui, showing. This is the sound. So p, b, t, d, k, g, f, v, s, j, sh, z, s, j, t, d, l, m, n, in, h, raw, u, and final sound is wa. So dear participants and learners, you will try to utter and try to pronounce the sound daily and with your colleagues, with your friends, with your classmates, so that you can improve your pronunciation. You know that pronunciation plays a very important role in case of second language or in case of English language. So this is very important for the students of honors third year. Especially this is important, and this is the part of phonetics and phonology. You know that in my previous class I discussed the vowel sounds, and so this is consonant sounds. So again I show you the sound, 24 sounds. So p, t, ch, k, b, d, j, g, f, t, ch, ch, sh, v, d, j, m, n, l, u, n, h, r, wa. So again, p, t, ch, k, b, d, j, g, p, t, ch, sh, v, d, j, m, n, l, j, u, n, h, r, and final sound is wa. So dear participants, you will try and try and try so that you can overcome all the hesitation and confusion in case of pronouncing the consonant sounds. You know that consonant sounds, in case of pronouncing consonant sounds, always we have to have the assistance of vowel sounds. So without vowel sounds, consonant sounds cannot be pronounced. On the other hand, vowel sound is produced or is pronounced without the assistance or without the help of consonant sounds. So vowel sounds we have discussed in our previous class about vowel sounds, and today we have discussed consonant sounds. And in our next class, our next session, we will discuss about voiced and unvoiced sound. You know that this is also very important: voiced consonant sound and unvoiced consonant sounds. And I think that you will enjoy in our next class. And you know that in case of articulating these consonant sounds, you have to use bilabial consonants, labial dental consonant, interdental consonant, alveolar consonant, post-alveolar consonant, plato-alveolar consonant, palatal consonant, and velar consonant, glottal consonant, and uh, plosive, fricative, nasal, trill or tap, and lateral, approximate or frictions, continuance. So many parts and so many organs will be used in case of pronouncing these consonant sounds. So no more today, and hope that you will enjoy this session and you have enjoyed. Thank you very much.